Our goal is to understand this device. All right, let's get started by double checking all the masses, the springs, etc. We just shot a video a few seconds ago, and turns out we had forgotten a small chunk of mass had changed, so it's always good to double check. Let's get over here, check this. Whoops, sorry. Come on, wheels. Guess they're pretty low friction, huh? Oh my gosh, this is killing me. Okay, one more try. There we go. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's check these springs. Actually, wait, let's check this mass too. It says it's 50, but... Okay, it's pretty close to 50. Yeah, that's a little off. Okay, now let's check these springs. Okay, here's the spring with nothing on it. Obviously, in a real world experiment with time, we'd get many, many masses to calibrate this, but we don't have time for that now. Spring 1 done. Spring 2. Let's make sure you see the spring without any weight on it. Got it?
Yep.
Sorry, I moved it. Let's try it again. Okay, there we go. Got it?
Yep.
Sorry about that, everybody. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, so we've got some springs. Hopefully you can figure the spring constant out from that information. Hopefully it's stretched about the same amount. Now, I'm going to put them onto here, like this. Actually, let's get a measurement between these points here. So to be clear, I think we can squeeze it in.
Yeah.
I'm going to line this up with a random number just so I can see it. Okay. So to me, that 10 is lined up with the back side of this top round brass piece. It's pretty close. Here's the other one over here. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, now I'm going to put these on here, like that. This one on here, like that. Now, I'm going to put this inside here, run that to the center. Oops. And run this one to the center. Okay, not perfect there. So I'm trying to make sure that this isn't caught on here, messing up the spring. We've done that now. Okay, and so this is a photo gate. How does it work? The idea here, right now it reads 0. Can you read the number at all?
Yeah.
So it's on gate mode. So when I stick my hand in here, the time should start. When I pull it out, the time should stop. That registers the time while something is blocking the beam. The beam is located right about here. Okay, right about here. Okay, and just to confirm, this measurement again, hopefully you agree it's pretty close. This is pretty close to the middle there. Maybe not perfect, maybe I've moved it, but just it's darn close. Okay, so now reset the timer. Let me get out of here. You should notice that this top part right here is not blocking the beam. I hope you can see that. We can tell because the timer's not running, right? So the beam doesn't get blocked until this part gets in there. So notice it's going to stop. The timer just stopped, and this plastic up here is still in the beam. So this is not the distance we care about. All right, one last thing. Look from the top. Let's get a number here. You can pick this edge, you can pick that edge, whatever you want. I'm going to move it back a known distance. Okay, you got that distance now?
Yep.
Okay, you want to get this side too, just in case, or did you get both ends? I don't know where they're doing, middle and left, right. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, so now we're going to record the velocity as it goes through the center. Here we go. That was it. And then just to make sure, I suppose if we were smart, we probably would have put this. Let's see. Oh no, that's pretty good. Yeah, because think about it. As this is coming in here, right? It's right. It's not quite in the middle of the motion. Ideally, this should be exactly in the middle of the gate at this time. So you can kind of think through, is this an overestimate or an underestimate of the velocity? And since we might be able to do this, I'm going to try and get another measurement, and you can think that through. Because we made some adjustments here. Pretty easy to fix. Oops, a little bit back. Let's try one more. Okay, so now it's closer to the middle. That's pretty as close to the middle of this gate as I can get it. Let's try one more experiment, the same size. Again, let's get the distances here. Got it?
Yep.
Oops, I gotta reset the gate now. Okay. Good?
Yep.
There was a small change there. So hopefully that changed the way you expected. I think before it was 104, now it's 101. That's it.